Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to use Do Not Disturb mode on Android. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to use Do Not Disturb mode, so let's see how you can do this. If you are using an Android phone and now you want to use Do Not Disturb mode on your phone, so let's see how you can do this. There are two ways. So first you just have to pull down your control panel, and here you will easily get Do Not Disturb mode. Here's that. You can see you just have to tap on it to enable it and tap on it again to disable it. But if you want to get it here, you have to tap on the edit option, and here you have to scroll it, and you can select it and put it anywhere. So after doing this, but if you won't get this setting here, so you have to follow the second step, which is open your phone settings, and here just scroll down and look for sounds and vibration. You just have to make sure that here do not disturb mode in the pop-up. Just tap on it, and here just scroll down, look for do not disturb mode. Here's that, select it, and the settings of do not disturb will appear. You just have to tap on it to enable it, and you can easily customize it from here. So that's how you can use do not disturb mode on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.